Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the JavaScript statements. So in JavaScript programming, the instructions are called the statements. Like an example, here we have one statement where we are selecting the element with the ID XYZ and we are changing the color of the element to green. And this way we can have multiple statements. Like an example, we can have another statement where we can change the font size of the element to 50 pixel. So you can see the element has a font size of 50 pixel. And all the statements in the JavaScript programming are composed of expression, keyword, operators, values, and also the comments. And also we need to remember that we should put one semicolon after every statement. The semicolon works as a terminator of the statement. Although it is not necessary to put semicolon after the statement, but it is highly recommended to put semicolon after each statement. And also the JavaScript ignores all the white spaces. So we can add multiple white spaces in our statement to add the readability of the program. Even though we add white spaces, still the output of the program will still be the same. So hope you understand about the statements in a JavaScript program. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.